ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Condolence, ha?
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.
O, ano na?
So, ma'am, kamusta po?
So, yes. Okay. Okay. Just two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, sadly, sad. Siya ang may kasalanan, sabi niya no questions daw.
Ma'am, over.
Yes, so my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Ma'am, kamusta kayo, ma'am?